Hey everyone, welcome back to the Business Transformation Center at Ingram Micro and the second video in our vlog series. We're going to take our masks off briefly just so that you guys can understand and lip read a little bit better of what we're trying to say for you guys. But welcome back to the second series, the second video in the series for meeting and conference room solutions. My name is Joe Brozek, Marketing Account Manager at Ingram Micro. In the previous video, we talked to you guys a little bit about meeting room solutions and some of the best vendors in the business for meeting and conference rooms, Jabra, Barco, and Planar. And today we're continuing that conversation with an unboxing. Personally, I am a visual learner, so I really wanted you guys to see the actual physical products that we're talking about and learn a little bit more about them. So first, we're going to talk to Barco and Jill Cannon. Hey Jill, how are you?
Hey, I'm good, how are you?
I am doing great, thank you. Really quick, before we talk about ClickShare, I'm gonna throw it over to Jonathan Scallon, who is also here virtually with us. Jonathan, how are you?
I'm good, Joe. How are you today?
I am great, thank you.
Good.
Jonathan is the newest member of the Barco family at Ingram. So John, can you give us a quick recap of your time and position at Ingram?
Sure, yeah. My name is Jonathan Scallon. I'm a Senior Solutions Specialist here at Ingram Micro. I've been with Ingram for over 7 years, more recently managing our Ergotron brand. Moving forward, I'll be managing and supporting the Barco business. And as a creative problem solver and collaborator, my background experience is in broadcasting and voiceovers, so I'm excited to get to know everybody, work with everybody, and I appreciate you giving me a chance today to introduce myself. So back to you, Joe. Thanks.
No problem. And experience with voiceovers, we'll have to have you on more videos. Jill, remind us the product that we're talking about for Barco in the meeting and conference room space.
Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking about the Barco ClickShare Conference CX-50. So it is part of our ClickShare conferencing line, meaning it can help with any of your conferencing needs.
Awesome. Perfect for meeting and conference room solutions. So tell us about the two individual pieces that we have.
Yes. So this is kind of your base unit. You would need to plug this into a power source, and the display that you're looking to portray it on, it can go back behind the display, it can go underneath the table, wherever you need to put in your room. And then this is the ClickShare button. All you need to do is plug this right into whatever you're presenting off of, and it will portray it to all of the conferencing room systems in the room, including the speakers, the cameras, the microphones, the display, all of that. And then we also just launched a desktop app where you can load that onto your desktop, or you can even load it onto your cell phone. So you're running late into a meeting and need to share something quick on the screen to everybody. Load it up on your phone, say, hey, I'm running down the hall. Here's what we're going to be looking at. You walk in and it's all seamless.
Perfect. We love something that's super versatile for, meetings, because there's always a lot going on, a lot of different people. So ClickShare, this is the actual piece that plugs into the laptop, and it physically click the button and it beams to the base unit to the display.
Yep. Yeah, and we like to call ClickShare Conference a triple agnostic program.
Okay.
So it works with any software, any hardware, and any USB peripherals, meaning you can use Microsoft Teams, Cisco, anything along those lines, almost any displays, and it will connect all of it together.
Okay. And this one's a USB-C. Mm-hmm. You have a bundle.
Yep. So Ingram has a USB-C to USB-A converter bundle right now. So you just reach out to Jonathan Scallon and he can get you set up with that. Right now, there's a little bit of a shortage, so we've set that up to make everything seamless for everybody.
Easier, the better. We love it. Awesome. Thanks, Jill.
Yeah.
Next, we're going to throw it over to Planar. Planar has the huddle board in our meeting and conference room space, and it's a 75-inch huddle board that we have for you guys. So a little bit of a lift to try to show it to you guys and assemble it for you. Adam Ditcher and I have already put it together through the magic of technology. We're going to show you guys a time lapse of us setting it up. And Adam, while that's happening, tell us a little bit about the huddle board, about Planar, and why they're best in the business.
Absolutely, Joe. Thank you. So again, my name is Adam Ditcher. I am the Solution Specialist 2 for Planar here at Ingram Micro. And as Joe said, we had the great privilege of putting together the huddle board. I just want to say that it was not very difficult. If I can put it together, anybody can put it together. And the outcomes that we found when I got to mess around with the huddle board were amazing. So the Huddle Board has basic whiteboard applications. That's its simplest feature. It also has the ability to easily annotate over maps, web pages, screenshots, and reports. In addition, it can save and share these notes and annotations for later meetings. It also has highly responsive projective capacitive touch performance, which means that the touch technology is embedded into the screen on the Huddle Board, as opposed to an overlay, which usually is found in the space. Because of this, it has pinpoint accuracy. It can recognize up to 20 simultaneous touch points and capture the smallest of letters with the included stylus. It's a one-stop collaboration in and out of the office space, so you can be in the room, out of the room. Like Jill said, running late and need to get into the room, it's very versatile and very applicable for whatever meeting needs that you have now in 2022. It works seamlessly with industry-leading collaboration solutions like Barco and Jabra. It has integrated Android operating system. The whiteboard software is included. It also supports third-party peripherals, has an OPS slot for Windows PC OPS devices, and for our GovEd customers, the Huddle Board is TAA compliant.
Beautiful. What more could you need to know? Sounds perfect.
Not a whole lot.
Love that it's a big screen, it's touch screen, and is displaying everything that Barco is projecting. So love that.
Absolutely. I would highly recommend getting 2 people to carry it, though, whenever it shows up to your business, because they are a little bit heavy. I would also highly recommend a cart.
Definitely. You need a cart, you need a mount. Make sure that it sticks up on that wall in your meeting room. Thanks, Adam.
Thanks, Joe.
Last but not least, we have Lindsay and Jabra.
Yes.
Lindsay, who are you and what have we talked about today?
So again, my name is Lindsay Glowitz. I am the Solutions Sales Executive for Jabra at Ingram Micro. And today I'm going to do a little unboxing of our PanaCast 50 video bar.
Awesome.
So the first thing when you open the box, the PanaCast 50 out of the box does come with a wall mount. There is an additional table stand available if you do want to just place it on a table and not have it be such a permanent fixture. This is the positioning guide to help you level it and make sure that it's not crooked on your wall. And the actual video bar is here. So a couple points on the video bar. It's the same PanaCast that you know and love, the 3 13 megapixel cameras that use the intelligent video stitching to give you a full 180-degree view of any room that you're in. But we've also included the best-in-class Jabra audio with an array of 4 speakers in this bar. And there are also 8 beamforming microphones. And what that means is when you are in a room with several people, the video bar is going to detect who is talking, and there is some software built right into the camera that will actually frame that speaker in to make it a more immersive experience for people who may not be in there.
Beautiful.
Yeah, a couple other features on the camera. There is a whiteboard capture device or software built right in it. So most other devices, you need another device to be able to capture a whiteboard. Jabra includes it right in the camera. So it will take one of these cameras in the array and pick it up on a neighboring wall. So it saves the cost of needing to buy another device for that.
Makes me think of a lot of our conference rooms at Ingram. Yes, we have the display in the room just like Planar, but there's a physical whiteboard on the side. So it's going to highlight that camera 180-degree view.
Correct, yes. And it will do some keystone correcting as well. So with a normal camera, it might look a little misshapen if you're picking it up, and the camera will automatically correct that.
Awesome.
One other feature too is it does have a lot of analytics on the back end that you can actually look at and configure to your company or your conference room's needs. One of the biggest things now is the room insights. So it can tell you how many people are in the room, who is using the room, how are they using the room, and if there are too many people. So you can actually set room limits for people on the room, and there will be a little alarm that goes off on the camera until that person leaves. So kind of annoying, so you need to get out of there because you can't shut it off.
Something you wouldn't have thought about 2 years ago, but something that we all have to be thinking about now.
Yeah.
Awesome. Security's built in, all that stuff.
Yeah, very secure camera, fully certified with Microsoft Teams and Zoom and every major video conferencing platform. Really quick, I'll give you a look inside the box, the accessories that it comes with.
It does require a power source, so you do have to have it near power, but it comes with a power cable, USB cable, and it does come with that wall mount.
Gotcha. So this guy's going to get mounted on the wall or with a stand on the table.
That's correct.
Plug in USB to the display. ClickShare beams in, picks up the camera in the room. We're using Planar's display in the back. Just want to make sure I'm getting a picture of everything that's going on.
You are painting a very good picture.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I love it. Beautiful. Well, thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining us for our second video in the series. The third video, we're going to do a couple call to actions for you, some next steps, so that you guys can get these solutions into some meeting rooms and conference rooms. So until next time, thanks, guys. Talk to you later.